Guys, it's a simple promotion. Buy 3 tires, get 1 for $1. How hard could it be to come up with an idea on how to do that? I just don't understand. So, I mean, what could you buy for $1? A bag of chips? I mean, as a matter of fact, you know what? Why don't you guys stay here? I'm gonna go get a bag of chips. I'll be right back. Bag for $1. Great. What can you buy for $1? I don't know. I can't buy anything for $1. What can I buy for $1? What can you buy for $1? Can't buy anything for $1. Buy a bag of chips. Guys, I got it, guys. I got it. Hi everybody, in case you didn't know, October is the Fuccillo Tire Savings Event. Get the best deal of the year on a new set of tires to ensure that your Toyota is performing at its best. For the month of October, come in and buy 3 tires and get the 4th for $1. Schedule your service today at Fuccillo Toyota Grand Island. Alright, well thank you, I appreciate it very much, thanks. There's gotta be somebody that does this. Gotta be. Who's the next guy? Hey, how are you? Good. You guys sell vending machines, right? Yeah, do you sell, like, really large vending machines? No, like large, like huge.